Hey guys, Nagesh here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing good. On Friday, I have booked some profit in some stocks like HDFC, KOTAK Bank, and PEL. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you what was the price action behind this particular stock and what was the entry, what was the exit, and what was the stop loss and all. So if you see this video till end, you will get some idea that how to select a stock for swing trade and how to keep a target and what was the how to select a stop loss and all those stuff. Okay, so make sure you should watch this video till end. Okay, before I explain that particular price like PEL, SGFC and Kotak Bank, let me check the Nifty and Bank Nifty first. Okay, if you see the Nifty chart, the Nifty, it went from 15,000 or 300 to almost near the 18,000, almost 17% within 63 days. So the correction is pending. If you see the price structure from here to here, we don't see such correction here. Okay, if you see here, we can see some correction, light correction, because it gapped up again, it filled the gap again, it went up. Okay, from here we don't see such correction, right? It was keep on pumping and it was keep on going, opening gap up and like that. Okay, we can expect some correction from here. So what you can do is, do not take any fresh position from Monday. You just wait for 2 to 3 days how the price action works. What I'm expecting is the price may come to this particular trend line. From here it will take support and it may go like this, or it may take support again it will go up, it may break also like this. Okay, there is nothing guarantee in the stock market. And if you see the Bank Nifty also near the resistance level. Okay, let me go to the weekly time frame. I have drawn this resistance long back. Actually, last time what happened, when the price came here, same last time also price faced resistance here. From here it fell, and let me go to the daily time frame, and again it tried to come, but last time when on April 5th 2022, the price did not reach till this resistance, but before that only it fell. But on Thursday, this resistance was got broken. It was a very good candle, but I was expecting that price may reach till here, till all-time high, but unfortunately it did not happen because of there may be some profit booking. So it fell almost 1.69% near this resistance. So we can expect a very good correction here. So be very cautious if you're taking any trade from Monday. Okay, let me explain you my top 3 stocks which I booked profit: PEL, SDFC Bank and Kotak Bank. Okay, the first stock is in the PEL. In the PEL, I have booked around 18.32%. This is the screenshot above. So I took this was a swing trade. Why I took this particular trade is, let me go to the weekly time frame. Okay, if you see in the weekly time frame, the price was down almost 43, almost 44% from its high. Okay, it is trying to break this particular high, but it was not able to break. The sellers came in, they pushed the price down. And if you see the price carefully here, we can see a very good support level here. Okay, last time what happened, the price break this particular resistance. Now it went from here to here almost 15, almost 16%. Again from here it fell 17 or 17.5% near this particular resistance. Now resistance, last time it was a resistance, now the resistance becomes support. Okay, it took support from here and it went around 68 or 67%. After that it came down, right? So I was expecting the same support level from here. So what I did, I just kept this stock on my watch list. Okay, after seeing these 2 bullish pin bar, if you see here, we can see a very good bullish pin bar, but I was not able to enter because, let me go to the daily time frame. I wanted to enter after this bullish engulfing candle, but the very next day what happened, the price opened gap up, but I did not enter because my stop loss was if I enter here, my stop loss was very high, around 7 to 8%, but I did not enter. I was just waiting, but I saw the red candle, but I did not enter. I just kept this stock on my watch list. Then what happened, almost from here it started consolidating, almost 16 days, almost 15 days it started consolidating. I thought to enter here, and then I was not feeling comfortable because the candle was, not so strong, but this was a good candle, but not so strong. Still, I was waiting. Again, very next day, I can see a very good small bullish pin bar. What I did not enter here. Also, I entered here. Okay, let me see where I entered. 1680. Yeah, I entered at 1680, right? Let me mark 1680. Where is 1680? So I entered near 1680. Yeah, correctly, exactly here. I entered somewhere here. After this, bullish pin bar. After this, one more bullish pin bar is there. You can see here. I entered here 1680. Right. Let me check one more time. Yeah, 1680, but I entered two times, and I kept my stop loss below this particular, candle. So my target was, the first target was this high, exactly this high, because last time what happened, after this two bullish engulfing candle, there was a, very good, it went gap up, it went a little bit up. From here it fell around. If you see this, big candle, I thought that there is here, it may be a, a resistance. So this was the plan, and this was the target, first target. And here we have risk to reward ratio around 1:3.3. This is the very good risk to reward, 1:3. And at the same time, I wanted to hold this stock, but if you see the Nifty and the Bank Nifty chart, it started, falling on Friday. So what happened, as soon as the price touched here, it morning around 9:30, it went around 2%, 2.3% up. But I was holding, but when I see the Nifty and the Bank Nifty chart, I was not comfortable because I was expecting a correction in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I thought that, why can't I book the profit? Anyway, my target got hit 1:3.3, and I was in the very good profit around 18.34%. So I exited my 50% here once it hit my target. Okay, again I was holding 50%, but after, it started coming down, then I exited my all 100% full. So I booked around 2817 rupees. So this was the PEL trade. Okay, okay, the next trade is HDFC. If you see the HDFC Bank, I have traded HDFC Bank two times. So before that, let me mark the, pattern, what pattern, I traded. So this was the resistance at the top, and at the bottom this for the support. Okay, this was the exactly near the support. I traded two times, HDFC. First I traded here, I entered here. This was the very long back. I entered here and I exited exactly after this gap up. Okay, it was gap up around 15%. So I entered here, very next day gap up 15%, then I exited. This was the old trade. Let me explain recent trade which I booked recently, I mean on Friday. And the second trade I took, let me mark the support level here. Okay, because here the support level I can see, again here, okay, three support level at the bottom. Okay, what I did, if you see, let me go to the weekly time frame. The price was, HDFC Bank was, taking support from this particular level. Let me go to the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, if you see the pattern here, I can see a very good, support level at the bottom. So if you see the, HDFC Bank, it did not perform as I expected, because if you see the ICICI Bank and IndusInd Bank, it performed very well. With the Bank Nifty, when the Bank Nifty was shorting up, those ICICI Bank and IndusInd Bank, they were also shooting very good. In the ICICI Bank, if you go and see the ICICI Bank, it was in all-time high. I don't know where the price is right now, and compared to that, HDFC Bank was not performing well. When the Bank Nifty started going up, I entered here. I kept my stop loss below, around 4 to 5% stop loss, and my first target is this, resistance. Because why I call it resistance is because it fell from here. From here it gapped down, again it went till around 12 or 13% till here. Okay, so my first target would be this resistance one. And if you see the risk to reward ratio also very good, 1:3.62. So I'll paste the link, screenshot at the above. You can see I booked around 11.81%. Okay, the third stock is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank, I booked only around 9%, not much. So if you see the Kotak Bank, I draw this pattern. I can see a very good pattern over here. Okay, this pattern at the top, resistance at the top, at the bottom I can see this support level. Okay, and this is not the only thing. If you see here, I can see a very good support level, right? Whenever the price comes to this particular area, the buyers are coming in and they are trying to push the price up. But last time it got broke. This was the fake breakout, and again buyers came in, they pushed the price up. Okay, last time again it came here, it went up, again it came. But here what happened, this got broke, but it took support from this trend line, but I did not enter here because it may go down because the market was bearish that time. Bank Nifty also was going down, so I did not enter. I was expecting that let the price close here of above this particular resistance level. Unfortunately the price got broke. I entered here. I kept my stop loss below the support level. My target was simple, this resistance, because whenever the price come here, the sellers are dominating and they are pushing the price down, and I don't wanted anything more than 1:2.5. This is a very good risk to reward ratio, 1:2.5. Here also I booked around 9.32%. You can see the screenshot above. I entered here. My stop loss was here at the bottom, and my target was this trend line. Okay, as soon as my target hits on Friday, what happened? It opened gap down, but it went up around almost 1 to 2%, 2% or 1.5%. After seeing that, and when it started facing resistance at the top, and I exited because I was expecting that price may come till here, because if you see, as I told you, the Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank, all the banks was performing very good, including Axis Bank. But Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank was it was not moving as I expected. That's it. So due to expecting a correction from Bank Nifty and the Nifty, so what I did, this is a very good time to exit. It doesn't matter how much money you make in the stock market, it matter how much you keep it. Okay, so I exited at the morning only here. This was the very good trade. This was the third trade. Okay, so this top three trade I have booked profit. Still I'm holding some stock. I don't know, maybe I'll exit, because if you see on Friday's candle in the Bank Nifty and the Nifty, it's a kind of scary candle. Anyway, I will trade with a very strict stop loss. You should also, if you're taking any entry from Monday, please try to keep stop loss, strict stop loss. If your stop loss hits, just exit. And also don't try to short the market now only. Wait for some time. After the confirmation, you can start shorting the market. Okay, so these are the three stocks I took recently. I just wanted to share with you guys. This was the price action, so you will get some idea how I select the stock for swing trade. Okay, this is not to show that I did that much profit, I did money and all that stuff. This is only for beginners, like how I select the stock, how can you select the stock, where you can expect that you can enter stop loss and the target and all the stuff. So in this particular three stock which I explained, like SDFC, Kotak and PEL, you will get some idea how to select a stock, where you can enter, where you can exit and all those stuff. So in this video, if you learned something from this video, or if you like the content, please hit like, subscribe and click that bell icon. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below. And thank you for watching this video with the patience. See you next time.